but a piece of cloth for their fingers. So what you're going to do is that your middle finger, we're going to put the cloth on your middle finger and tie it there. So we're going to tie it there. Now I'm going to teach you the steps. It's the same thing with the wives and the other children, but the only thing is that we're going to work with the moves, memorize the moves. So what we're going to do is we're going to do 2 steps here and 2 steps on the left. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the turn. Are you ready? Again. Are you ready? So what we're going to do with our arms. So are you ready? So you're basically doing this like an octopus dance. Alright, so let's do the octopus dance and go. Are you ready? Alright, again. Are you ready? Now, the next step will be, remember the fan is doing this. What we're going to do is move this one 2 times with our leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, kids? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then after that, we're going to turn around. So they put their fan here. We're going to put our cloth here and then cloth here and then tilt your head and go turn. What is your rest? Here. Alright? Boys like here, girls like here. Like you open your palm of your hand. So the boys will just hold the cloth. And let's do it from the very beginning and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you ready? Are you ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Alright, and then the other steps that you have to know is like this.